Alright guys, we can set it up together. So no, there's no need to hide. So let's go to complete here our data store ED. This is our data store ED. Great, there's a space here I have to remove, of course. Back here, you're gonna use ADK web. Cool. It's gonna give us a web server. That's gonna be fast. Let's click on here, open it. Well, we have to choose this way while we're using Vertex Search Tool Agent. Vertex Search Tool Agent. I have a question right here. Is there any planet Persephone suitable for habitation? So it's gonna use our data store that Vertex is gonna use this guy. This guy shows how it was created. I think I showed the first video. Okay. Anyway, data stores. Boom, let's go. Ask for it. This uses Vertex that goes to our data store that uses this storage to get into these documents and give an answer. Failed to Vertex. No module. I'm gonna restart that and fix it. So it didn't find the module, and we're gonna put into the module on that. So it says didn't find the module. Let's make it use this correct. Okay. See you next video.